Hey guys, welcome back to the Free Auto Mechanic channel. Today we're going to be checking out a sunshade sent over to me by Pigenius. Thanks guys. Say we're going to spend some time out at the ball field. It'd be pretty handy to have the protection to make sure that the interior is not going to get damaged while I'm sitting there for 4 hours on the bench watching the game. Alright, so you just unfold the tabs. You're going to work from the center out. It's got a cutout for your rear view mirror so you can't go wrong. Shiny side out. And I'm told that this is a custom fit. And it's on there. As far as it reflecting UV rays and protecting your interior from sun fade, for sure. And it looks pretty cool. And at the end of the day, when you get ready to put it away, it just folds right up. And the guys at Pigenius were smart enough to include a nice storage bag, which is pretty handy. And then we can just take this and slide it up underneath the back seat. And if you decide that you'd like to get one for yourself, I've got a link down below in the description. I am an affiliate. I do get a few pennies if you do purchase one. I'd appreciate it. Hit the link, check it out, get one for yourself. Thanks for watching.